In this video, I'm going to show you a system of equation problem that ends up having no solution. So in this problem I have two equations, 3x minus y equals -2 and 6x minus 2y equals -16. Now here I want to either eliminate the x's or the y's. Here I can eliminate the y's by multiplying the top by -2. Alright, so -2 times 3x is -6x. -2 times -y is positive 2y. And -2 times -2 is positive 4. They're going to leave the second equation the same. Then I'm going to add these two equations together. -6x plus 6x is 0. And 2y minus 2y adds up to 0. And 4 minus 16 is -12. So I end up with 0 equals -12. So in this case, the x's and y's canceled out, add up to 0. And I end up with 0 equals -12. And 0 does not equal -12, so that is false. So when that happens, we have no solution. That basically means that these two lines are parallel and they never meet. And when we're solving a system equation, we're trying to find out where they meet. So if there's two parallel lines, separated and they'll never cross, there'll be no point where they intersect.